Hello guys, today let's review Glitchy AI affiliate marketing. Is it legit or just a scam? Let's dive into it. So first of all, let's go to their website. Their website is very clean with those flashy animations. It's well organized, it's well created, it's good, but it is just a trap. As you can see, all of legit websites have a contact us button. When you scroll down, there's no contact us button. There's no details on the company. There are just the join community, payments, offers, and whatnot. And as you can see, $50 million paid to Glitchy members since 2022. It's already 2025, then why is this glitchy.com app not so popular, right? That's one red flag. 40k combined members. That's very, very impossible because this app is not really so popular. And these thousands of success stories feel very fake. This is a very predatory marketing tactic in which it will lure people onto paying to their company. These big money figures, that's a trap. And then another red flag is that in their app, they said that they are paying to Glitchy members since 2022. Their app is just developed on 2025, as you can see here. Released on January 6, 2025. These easy to get rich schemes are very, very fake. This is just a scam website. Do not install or try to sign up.